Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this handheld vacuum, hence the coffee grounds on the table. So here it is. The brand I got is called STARUMENT. Sorry, it's upside down, but really small, fits in any like kitchen drawer. I chose the color white, but there's also a few other options available. So it has a cord here. You can recharge it. You do have to plug it in to recharge, but I have had this for a few months. I haven't had to charge it yet. So this slides right on, comes off. You can see there is the vacuum part and there's a nice button here. There are 3 different settings, so I will go through all 3. So here's the first one. If you want a little bit more, number 2. Pretty much gets everything. And then okay, there's the 3rd setting. So this easily cleans up all of this. There we go. All right. So you can see my vacuum was actually blinking and didn't go to the 3rd setting right away because it needs to be charged. So I've had this for a few months. I've used it quite a bit, and this is the first time I've ever had to charge it. So I would say that is quite a long time. So I highly recommend this. The snaps right on top. Very easy to empty as well. So yeah, I highly recommend. It fits in like any of my kitchen drawers. So a great extra tool if you're looking to clean up messes quickly and don't want to haul out the huge vacuum for it. So highly recommend. This is a staple household item.